आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is the equation a square x square plus 2h a plus b xy plus b square y square is equal to 0 and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represent what they represent, and we have given some options, and the options are two pair of perpendicular straight line, two pairs of parallel straight line, two pairs of straight line which are equally inclined to each other, or none of these. So let's check. So if you see, given equations of lines are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Let me just write this equation as first equation and we'll tell you the reason also. Then other is a square x square plus 2h a plus b xy plus b square y square is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now, if you see that the first equation basically the general equation of line. So what we can say, and if we have to find what kind of lines these are, so first we need to find the equation of bisector of their angle. What kind of angle basically between them is. So equation of bisector of the angles between lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. As I said earlier, this is basically a general equation, and the formula for equation of bisector is x square minus y square divided by a minus b is equal to xy divided by h. So this is basically the general formula, and the first equation is general equation. So similarly you can write the equation of, I'll name it as 3, equation of bisector of the angles between lines a square x square plus 2h a plus b xy plus b square y square is equal to 0. So if you will consider this equation with this general equation, so you can write the formula. First we will have x square y square, and here in denominator what it will be, a minus b. So here the coefficient of x square is a square, right? Whereas the coefficient in the equation 1 of x square was a. So we wrote a minus b, and here is a square and coefficient of y square is b square. So you will write a square minus b square is equal to xy divided by, now look at here, 2hxy, 2h we have, xy we have, and the coefficient of these is a plus b. So what you can write, h we have to write, and the extra thing is a plus b, right? So we need to write this also. So if you will write it, this equation again, so what you can write, x square minus y square, and if you will open this, a minus b, a plus b is equal to xy divided by h a plus b, and now you can cancel them, a plus b, and name it as fourth equation. Now if you will see clearly, the equation number 3 and equation number 4 are equal, right? So what I can write, equation 3 and 4 are equal, right? If equation 3 and 4 are equal, if equation of bisectors are equal, then what you can say, then they are equally inclined to each other, right? Equally inclined to each other, as their angle of bisectors are equal equation. So we can say they are equally inclined to each other. So let's look at the option. The option is two pair of straight line. These are straight line which are equally inclined to each other. So option C is correct. Right, this was the solution. I hope the solution is clear to you. Thank you so much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।